All about animals. What are some animals with backbones? There are many kinds of animals. Some animals have backbones. Bones give animals shape. Bones help animals move. Bones help animals stay safe. Animals with backbones. Mammals have backbones. Some mammals have fur. Some mammals have hair. Young mammals get milk from their mother. Birds have backbones. Birds have feathers. Birds have wings. Baby birds come from eggs. Fish have backbones. Fish live in water. Most fish have scales. Fish have fins. Fins help fish swim. Most fish come from eggs. Reptiles have backbones. Reptiles also have scales. Scales help reptiles stay safe. Some reptiles come from eggs. Snakes are reptiles. Amphibians have backbones. Amphibians can live on land. They can also live in water. Amphibians have wet skin. The skin is smooth. Amphibians come from eggs. Frogs are amphibians. What are some ways mammals are adapted? Mammals live in many different places. Mammals are adapted to where they live. This deer's fur changes color in the winter. Then the deer is hard to see. This is called camouflage. Camouflage helps keep this animal safe. Animals act in different ways. Chipmunks store food in the summer. They sleep in the winter. When they wake up, they eat the food they saved. What are some ways birds are adapted? Birds live in many different places. Birds are adapted to where they live. This bird is hard to see in the forest. It uses camouflage to stay safe. Camouflage helps it hide from other animals. Penguins live where it is cold. They have feathers to keep them warm. Penguins do not fly. They use their wings to swim. What are some ways fish are adapted? Fish live in water. Fish have gills. Gills help fish get oxygen from the water. This catfish swims in deep, dark water. Long feelers help a catfish find food. This fish can protect itself. The fish can make itself big. This scares away other animals. The fish changes shape to stay safe. What are some ways reptiles are adapted? Reptiles live in many different places. Reptiles are cold when it is cold. Reptiles are warm when it is warm. Reptiles move fast when they are warm. This animal lives where it is hot. It has light skin. Light skin helps it keep cool. Snakes do not chew their food. Snakes can open their mouths very wide. Snakes swallow their food whole. What are some ways amphibians are adapted? Amphibians live in many different places. First, they live in water. Then they live on land. Their smooth, wet skin helps them live in both places. Toads live on land. They dig into the ground to stay cool. Toads look for food at night. What are some animals without backbones? You now know about animals with backbones. Another group of animals does not have backbones. Most animals are in this group. Insects do not have backbones. Insects have 3 body parts and 6 legs. Antennae help some insects feel, smell, hear, and taste. This insect is called a walking stick. It is hard to see when it is near plants. Camouflage helps it stay safe. Other animals without backbones. This octopus does not have a backbone. It lives in the ocean. It can see well in the water. This helps it find food. Spiders do not have backbones. Spiders have 8 legs. Spiders make webs. Insects get into the webs. Spiders eat the insects. Animals live in many places. Some animals have backbones. All animals are adapted to the places where they live. Glossary.